Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to view Squarespace form submissions. If you're running a website with contact forms, newsletter signups, or any kind of data collection, knowing where to find and review these submissions is essential for managing your leads and staying on top of customer inquiries. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your credentials and sign in. This will bring you to your Squarespace dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your websites and their associated content. Now that you're on the dashboard, take a look at all the websites listed under your account. Simply click on the website where you want to view form submissions. This action will open up that specific site's management panel, giving you access to all its features and settings. It's important to select the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites, to ensure you're viewing the right form data. Once you've opened your website's management panel, direct your attention to the left side menu. This is where you'll find all the key sections for managing your site's content and functionality. From this menu, click on Contacts. The Contacts section is where Squarespace stores all information related to your site visitors and form submissions, making it a crucial area for lead management and customer communication. Under the Contacts menu, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on List and Segments. This section allows you to organize and view different groups of contacts based on how they've interacted with your site. It's a powerful feature for segmenting your audience and managing your data effectively. Now, within the List and Segments page, find and click on Form Submitters. This is the specific category that houses all the data from people who have filled out forms on your website. By clicking on this option, you're filtering your contacts to show only those who have submitted information through your forms. And there you have it. The page will now display the complete storage of your form submitters. Here you can review all the details that people have entered, including names, email addresses, messages, and any other fields you've included in your forms. This organized view makes it easy to follow up with leads, respond to inquiries, and track your form performance over time. You've successfully accessed your Squarespace form submissions and can now manage your contact data efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.